Ready?
Yeah, we're recording. We're live, baby. We're live.
Do it live.
Dude, that's badass. Jesus Christ. Dude, that's fucking crazy. Oh my god.
I mean, even at idle, like, this is way louder than it, like, it was silent at idle.
Yeah.
Before, pretty much.
Dude, holy fuck. I was like, okay, here it goes. Let's get ready. Wow, what the fuck? Dude, holy shit.
Recorded that on my phone too.
Yeah.
Sierra was like, I want a cold start video.
Dude, they won't get mad if I like upload it, will they?
No, not at all.
Okay.
That's the whole point. Exposure.
Okay.
The more exposure, the better.
I mean, obviously, I'm sure somebody else probably has a bigger following. I'll just, I don't think YouTube cares if people upload the same video, right?
No.
Alright. Dude, that's fucking nuts. Jesus. Shit, are you about to leave then?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll go around. I'll go around and wait for you out there. And we'll see how it goes. Alright. Jesus. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this open. Shut the garage. Alright, we're about to see him come around. Oh shit. The fuck, man? This guy's taking forever, man. He's the slowest driver alive. Alright, something had to have happened. Here we go. Jesus Christ. Hell yeah.